Welcome to my channel, where I will take you to some places, let you see my new toys and stuff, and reviews. Stan the Man! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm going to have a video about what's in my fridge. So guys, here's our fridge. There. So this is an LG fridge. So let's start with the freezer. So it's in this section. Okay, so here in the freezer, not that much. So what we have here is some food here. I'm not sure what those are. So this is some ice cream, I think. I'm not sure. And then we have some fish. And we have some buko salad ice cream. And by the way, this fridge has an ice maker in the freezer section. Okay, so we have some cheese hot dog or maybe cheese dog. Then we have some classic honey bacon. And okay, so yeah, there's not that much in the freezer part of the fridge. So let's go on to the fridge itself. So we kind of have a lot here. So let's start with the top. So here we have some Powerade drinks, and we have some Dole pineapple juice, and we have some Evian natural mineral water. We have some Pascual yogurt, Creamy Delight, and they're all strawberry flavor. And then we have some NutriBoost here. So until over there. And here we have some oranges or tomatoes. I'm not sure, guys. And then we have some eggs here. So there. Let's move on to the next section. So here, this part has organizers now. And we have Chucky. And then there's more Chucky over here. And we have some more NutriBoost here. And we have some more Dole pineapple juice. And we have some Dairy Essence cream cheese spread. And we have some Tang orange juice or powder drink over there. We have some Alaska yogurt drink, and the small ones and the big ones. And there's Nestle 100% fresh cow's milk, high calcium. So this is the ready to drink. So guys, it actually makes that sound because it means I've opened it for a long time. So we have some Dutch Mill. So we have some Dutch Mill and more Dutch Mill here. So yeah. So next we have some bagoong here, and we have some all Alaska crema all-purpose cream, and we also have, I don't know what this is. Okay, so next we have some Gardenia high fiber bread, and I'm not sure what this food is. And we have some Vita Coco natural coconut drink or coconut water. And there we have some more Big Dutch Mill and they're green. So we also have the Tropicana coconut water. So it's until over there. And we have 2 more Dole 100% pineapple juice. And here I think we have some meat, or I'm not sure. And I think this is a lollipop. There. Not sure why that's there. So next we have the Alaska fresh milk. High calcium. And we also have the Australia's own milk. Full cream. And we also have some Alaska evaporated milk. And here we also have some Jolly Fresh 100% prune juice. And here, this is actually just an empty bottle. We actually use this sometimes for the Tang powder drink. Okay, so here we have some cake, and then I'm not sure what those are. And then we have some more food here. Okay, so let's move on to the fresh zone. So here we have some, I'm not sure what kind of leaves these are, but I think they're pechay or kangkong. Sorry, I think this is pechay. And we have kangkong over there. We have some potatoes down there. And I think these are ginger. And we have some lemon there. We have a pack of lemon. We have some eggplant at the back. And I think we have some carrots at the bottom. Oh, okay, so yeah. Let's close this. Okay, so this is a very nice fridge for me because, yeah, you can divide it to a lot of sections and all those kinds of things so that your food are organized. And we usually use the ice from the ice maker for the Tang powder drink also, I'm not sure. And we actually have some embutido here. I'm not sure if this is food, if there's food inside or it's just a box. And I forgot this. These are actually candy from Christmas party, but I'm actually not really used to eating candy anymore. So let me just put it there and just rest from eating candy, and let me eat other things first. Like healthy things, especially with what's happening right now. So we have some magnets there. So this was actually from our field trip, and there. So guys, I think that's it for this video. And I hope you loved it or liked it, because if you do, please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring the bell button to be notified about my new videos. And that's all. See you on my next one. Bye guys. Stan the Man.